In the upcoming Lok Sabha election on April 26, 2024, the Hassan constituency is poised for a showdown between JDS Prajwal Revanna and Congress and Shreyas Patel, vying for the seat previously held by Prajwal Revanna of JDS. The area is marked by the dominance of Vokkaliga and Lingayat communities. In the 2019 elections, JDS Prajwal Revanna emerged victorious with 6,76,606 votes, followed by BJP's A. Manju. In 2014, JDS Supremo PM Deve Gowda secured the seat with 5,09,841 votes, with Congress A. Manju in second place and BJP's C.H. Vijayshankar in third place. Hassan was initially part of Mysore state and known as Hasan Chikmagalur. It became Hassan in 1957 and joined Karnataka in 1974. Former PM Deve Gowda has won the seat 5 times, twice on a Janata Dal ticket and thrice on a JDS ticket. Located in the southern part of Karnataka, Hassan is rich in historical significance, home to ancient sites of the Hoysala kings, with a population of approximately 2,16,000, of which 78% is rural and 22% urban. It comprises 8 assembly seats.